A branch logo can be included in the heading of overdue reports. This functionality is enabled by default for library branches with uploaded logo images. The image is displayed on the top left of the page and is resized with locked proportions to fit the available space. The branch logo should not be wider than 2100 pixels. The functionality can be turned on or off by changing the value of parameter 3413 overdue print report branch logo header to yes or no respectively. You can upload a branch logo by navigating to System Branches. Click the number link to the left of the branch record. Click the upload link and browse to the branch logo you have prepared. Then click the upload button to load the image. For individual overdues with single borrowers per page, each respective borrower's branch logo is used. Branch logos are not printed for individual notices with more than one borrower per page, or for group notices and lists of individual notices that contain loans for multiple borrowers. Each of the default overdue print reports can be downloaded to Word and customized. This makes it possible to include other data fields in the report and change the appearance of the notice if necessary. The new customized report template you create can then be uploaded to Oliver for selection when required. Remember, the Overdue Notice Report Formats Guide will be of assistance to you if you would like to get an idea of what the different reports look like. This may help you to decide which report you'd like to download and customize. The report template can be downloaded from Circulation Overdues. If you click on the link to the left of the notice and click Edit, you are able to download the selected template. You can also upload the customized report from here again when it is ready. However, it may be easier to download and test a template from Reporting Print Reports. If you know the name of the report you'd like to customize, you can search for it by name, or you can just select Print Group Overdue Notice or Print Individual Overdue Notice from the report type selection list and browse to find the report you're after. I'll download the Individual Overdue Notice Print by Role class with cost 2 borrowers per page report. Click on the number link to the left of the report and then click the Download Word Template button. Open the downloaded template and click to enable editing if necessary. The downloaded template contains some text that will appear in a print notice in exactly this format and position. The template also contains placeholders. The placeholders can either be loan field aliases or special placeholders for parameters commonly used in reports, such as library name and the current date. It is important that the placeholders you enter into the template are formatted correctly. The field alias placeholders consist of a $, curly bracket, the grouping level prefix, a full stop, and the loan field alias the data is being pulled from, followed by the closing curly brackets. The grouping level can be, for example, role class, borrower, or loan. You can make the necessary adjustments to the report template. For example, some libraries populate the price field on their copy record rather than the cost field. They would prefer to use the price field in this report. This is a simple swap. We can just update the column heading and change the field loan cost to use loan price instead. We could include the date lent field and use the classification column for the barcode instead. The borrower's family name appears first, followed by the personal name, and is separated by a comma. We could swap those fields around and do away with the comma. Customized templates do not include any default text from the Overdue Notice template, and nor do they pull any messaging from the report header, message, or footer on the Overdue Notice template. Any messaging required needs to be added to the customized template. Similarly, if a branch logo is required, that needs to be added to the template as well. I'll add a message, Dear Borrower Personal Name. The following loans are now overdue. Please can you return them to the library or contact the library to arrange a renewal. We already have the count of overdue items. If you are running the notice for loans that are not yet overdue, you could just change the label of that field. We could add a total price as well. These are special placeholders that are used for aggregating sums of different group levels. In this example, the underscore total price gives a sum of the loan field alias price for the borrower grouping level. Next, we can sign off. I'll add, "Thank you, kind regards, Mrs. Smith." I'll add some static placeholders now, such as the library name and the phone number. This is the library name from parameter 1000 and the phone number from parameter 1002. Then I'll just ensure that the formatting of this bottom section is the same. I'll save the template as individual overdue notice print by role class with price 2 borrowers per page. Please note that for security reasons, any file you upload cannot contain any punctuation characters. That's why I haven't used any in the file name. To upload the file, I'll go back to Reporting Print Reports. I'll select Upload New Report from the Print Reports function menu. With Excel or Word template selected, click Submit. Browse to the file you need to load and select it. The report name defaults to the file name, but you can update this if required. I'll click Upload. You can now test the report from here to check that you are happy with it before running it as part of an overdue notice run. Click the Run This Report button. Search for a set of loans to test the report against. Then download the report. If you need to make changes to the template, you can download it again from here, make the necessary adjustments, and then upload the template again. You cannot upload a template with the same name as one that already exists in Oliver. So if you would like the updated report to have the same name, you'll need to delete the existing one first before you can upload the new one. If you do not see the delete option against your customized report, it means the report is currently selected on an overdue notice. The advantage of testing the report from reporting print reports or circulation loans is that it does not update the loan as having gone out as part of an overdue notice run. When you are happy with the template, you can go to Circulation Overdues, edit the required template, and select your customized print report and save that change. Just getting back to the field alias placeholders. They are made up of a grouping level prefix, for example, role class, borrower, or loan, and a loan field alias. You can search existing loan field aliases if you navigate to System Field Aliases. Enter an AnyWord search of area CO for contains loan. These are all the loan field aliases that you could use in a customized report. If you click on the number link to the left of the entry, you can see the linked area that the information is coming from or that has been linked to the loan. Contact detail in this instance. If you're having trouble reporting on a specific field, it could be that the relevant loan field alias linking the loan to the required area in Oliver has not yet been created. Please contact the support team if you need assistance customizing an overdue notice report template.